In this lecture, we will create SSH keys that we will use to SSH into our virtual machine. To create SSH keys, in the search box, type SSH keys. Then select SSH keys under Services. Click Create SSH key. On this page, make sure your subscription is selected and select your resource group. The region is going to be East US, and for the key name, I'm going to call it DevVM key. Once you have given it a key name, under SSH public source, we are going to generate a new key pair. The key type is going to be RSA, and we are going to click Next. On this page, we are going to give it a tag name. Here, type name, and for the value, we'll give it the same name, DevVM key. Once you have entered the tag, click Next. On this page, you can review your settings, then click Create. When you create SSH key, one thing I want you to note is that two keys are going to be created, a public key and a private key. The public key stays in the Azure portal, and this is the key you will add to your virtual machine. The private key is the key you are seeing on your screen, and this is the key you will download on your computer. This key will allow you to SSH into the virtual machine you have added the public key to. This is how SSH works. The next thing I want you to do is click Download Private Key to download the private key on your computer. And there you go. I have successfully downloaded the private key, and the key will be saved in the Downloads directory on my computer. Next, we are going to click Go to Resource. This is the SSH key we just created, and on the screen, you can see the public key I mentioned earlier. This is the key that stays in Azure portal, and this is the key you will add to your virtual machine when you create them. This is all we need to do in this lecture. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.